Nature Walk with Chuck.
Hi, and welcome to another edition of Nature Walk with Chuck. I'm Chuck here at beautiful Wenatchee National Forest. Well, we got a lot of nature to see, so let's get started. Jimmy! You remember Jimmy, our intern from the Forest Service. Well, this is Jimmy's dog, Butch. So, are you two ready to experience nature?
Yes, sir, Mr. Chuck.
All right, but first things first, what are we serving today?
An entire case of Schmidt's beer, Mr. Chuck.
Now you're talking my language, boy. Crack me a cold one, Jimmy.
Come on, Butch.
Yes, sirree, Jimmy. This here is God's country.
Mr. Chuck, if this is God's country, who's going to clean up that trash you just threw out over there?
God.
What kind of tree is that, Mr. Chuck?
Looks like an old-growth cedar, Jimmy. Could have been here before the first Europeans set foot in this magnificent land.
Wow. I wonder how old it is.
That's a good question, Jimmy. Let's count the rings.
Mr. Chuck, maybe we shouldn't be doing this.
Now, an electric iced tea, on the other hand, that is a totally different kind of a drunk. Look at that view, Jimmy.
It's beautiful, Mr. Chuck.
You know, Jimmy, it's at times like this that I realize how powerful and majestic nature really is. Watch this. Run, Jimmy! Wild mushrooms are considered a real delicacy. But how do you tell the good ones from the poisonous ones? Well, I have no idea, so I gave Jimmy a dozen of these here.
I love you, Mr. Chuck. We love the forest.
Looks like Jimmy found some of the good ones.
Fine.
Watch out for that cliff, boy! Jimmy, these days a cell phone should be standard equipment in any backpack. It comes in handy if you get lost, or if you need to lose yourself in man's most basic nature necessity, phone sex. Hi, this is Nature Man Chuck. I need to be taken behind the woodshed for a good, firm whooping. Let's just take a second, Jim. Ouch. Oh, yeah. When you're out on a nature walk, it's easy to get caught in a lightning storm. If that happens, do not take shelter under a tree, because that's where lightning might strike. Plus, your metal frame backpack can be a natural conduit for electricity. Watch this.
This seems kind of dangerous, Mr. Chuck.
Quit screwing around, Jimmy. It's time to head home.
I'm scared, Mr. Chuck. The phone doesn't work, and we've been walking around for 2 days now.
Have a beer, Jimmy.
The food's all gone. There's nothing left to eat. I'm hungry, Mr. Chuck. What are we going to do?
That sure is the spot. Donut Bush. We'll see you next time on Nature Walk.
This has been Nature Walk with Chuck.